Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Knowledge Universe. Today I start a new series of video about Python for data science course. This video or this series is about Pandas. Panda Python library is one of powerful Python data analysis toolkit. Today I start by a quick introduction to this important library. Welcome to my channel, and I start now this important series of video. I start this tutorial in the first step by defining what is a Panda. Panda is a data analysis and manipulation tool. This library or this tool is fast, powerful, flexible, easy to use, open source, and built on the top of the Python programming language. So Pandas is an important library if you want to analyze data or to manipulate data with Python. Pandas allows importing data from various file formats. So with the Python, with the library Pandas, you can import data from various file formats such comma separated values or JSON file or SQL file or Excel file. So by using Panda or by using the library Panda with the Python, you can import many file or many data from various file as CSV or text file or SQL file to your program and manipulate after data. So after importing data by using Pandas library, you can also use various data manipulation operations. So by using Pandas, you can merge data or reshape data or select data as well as cleaning data. So with the Pandas you can import data from many files and you can also manipulate this data with many operations. So Pandas really is an important tool if you want to analyze your data. Now I try to teach you with some example how you can work with Pandas. In this first tutorial, I try to teach you how you can, for example, load and save data by using Pandas. So I start by this example and I use, for example, an CSV file, and I try to import this file in Python by using Pandas. So in this first step about how you can load and save data with the Pandas, I start by give you what is the three ways you can use with Panda. When you want to use a Panda for data analysis, you will usually use it in one of three different ways. The first way is you can convert a Python list or dictionary to a Pandas data frame. After I teach you what is a data frame. Or you can open a local file using Panda. Usually this file can be CSV file or text file or Excel file. And the third way is you can also open a remote file or a database like CSV or JSON on a website throughout URL or read from SQL table or database. So today I start by the second way. I teach you how you can, for example, by using Pandas, how you can open a local file And I give you, for example, how you can open a CSV file by using a Panda. With Pandas, usually when you want, for example, to import or to load or to save data, you need to use data frame. So what is data frame? Data frame is a two-dimensional data structure. For example, here this is an example of a data frame. The features of data frame are potentially columns are of different types. For example, here we have an example of data frame. I have here 5 rows. This is the labels of these rows. And I have 4 columns, and the name, score, items, quality is the label of these columns. So a data or data frame is a two-dimensional structure composed with rows and columns. The data frame are mutable. And in the next video, I will teach you how you can perform arithmetic operations on rows and columns by using data frame. In this first video, I start by teaching you, for example, how you can import and load and save data from CSV file to data frame. To install Pandas, you can use the command pip install Pandas. So I have already installed this library. Here I just teaching you how you can, if you don't have Pandas, how you can install it. So by using this command, you can install Pandas. So here requirement already satisfied because I have already installed Pandas. So in this example, this is my CSV file with 4 columns: the ID, the name of the customer, the gender, and the city. So this is my, the name of this file is my data.csv, and my file or my data is separated by semicolon. So now this is my file. I stored this file in the same directory with my Python program. Now I try to read this file or to load this file by using Pandas. So I open a new Pandas file. I start by importing the library Pandas. So import Pandas as PD. Now, if I want to load my CSV file, I give a name, for example, customers. This is the name of customers. Equal to read. I use this function to read my. This is the name of the instance of Pandas. So here, this is the function. I use read CSV to read my or to load my CSV file. Now I give the name of my file. My file here, the name of my file is my data CSV, and here this is the data and the structure of my file. So my file is my data dot CSV, comma, and I specify the delimiter. My delimiter is a semicolon. So delimiter equal semicolon. So here this is I have 5 columns, and here the delimiter is a semicolon between the 4 columns. Now, if I want to print my data frame, so customer here is my data frame. So if I want to print this data frame, I use the classical method or function customers. So customer, this is the name of customers. Here, customers. So I try now to see this the result here. So this is my data frame here. This is my file CSV, and by using Panda I load and I store this data on data frame. For example, if you just see just the first 5 rows, you can use customers. The first 5 rows, I use the function head, the customer dot head 5 to see just the first 5 rows. So here, this is just the first 5 rows, and the first line give me all the data frame. In the next video, I try to teach you how you can use many operations and many functions to manipulate data frame by using Pandas. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment. Goodbye and good day.